Ever wished you could get that must-have gadget or that perfect gift now and pay for it later? You're not alone. Online shopping has revolutionized how we buy things, but sometimes those unexpected expenses can throw a wrench in our budgets. So, the burning question is, does Amazon, the retail giant, offer any kind of Beforepay option? Let's dive in. Beforepay, also known as Buy Now, Pay Later, BNPL, has exploded in popularity. It's basically a form of short-term financing where you can purchase something and pay for it in installments over a short period, usually a few weeks or months. This can be a lifesaver for managing unexpected costs or spreading out the pain of a big purchase. Think about it. You see that amazing new TV on sale. You want it, but payday is still a week away. With Beforepay, you can grab that TV and enjoy it immediately, paying it off in manageable chunks. Sounds pretty appealing, right? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Amazon offer Beforepay? Well, not exactly in the traditional sense. While Amazon doesn't have its own dedicated Beforepay program like some of its competitors, they do offer several financing options that can serve a similar purpose. Amazon Credit Card, this is a popular choice. It offers rewards points on Amazon purchases, and you can often get introductory 0% APR offers on purchases, effectively letting you Beforepay by paying interest-free for a certain period. Amazon Store Card, similar to the credit card, but with more limited rewards and often higher interest rates. Pay in 4, this is Amazon's closest offering to a true Beforepay option. It allows you to split eligible purchases into 4 equal payments spread over 6 weeks, with no interest or fees. Partnering with third-party lenders, Amazon also collaborates with financial institutions like Affirm and Klarna. These companies offer BNPL options directly on the Amazon platform, giving you more flexibility in how you pay. So, Amazon does offer ways to finance your purchases, but are they the best Beforepay options? Pros. Convenience. Everything is integrated seamlessly into the Amazon shopping experience. Flexibility. You have a range of options to choose from, depending on your needs and creditworthiness. Rewards. Some options, like the Amazon credit card, offer rewards points. Cons. Limited options. Compared to dedicated BNPL providers, Amazon's options may be more limited in terms of eligibility and payment plans. Potential for high interest. Some options, like the store card, can have high interest rates if not managed carefully. If you choose to use any of Amazon's financing options, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Read the fine print, understand the terms and conditions of each option, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules. Only borrow what you can afford to repay. Don't overextend yourself financially. Make on-time payments. Late payments can result in penalties and damage your credit score. Consider alternative options. Explore dedicated BNPL providers to see if they offer better terms or more flexible plans. While Amazon doesn't have a single, all-encompassing Beforepay program, they offer a variety of financing options that can help you spread out the cost of your purchases. By carefully evaluating your options and using them responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of convenient financing without falling into a debt trap. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.